welcome back to the GIZGUIDE channel. This is Neil, and in this video we will be unboxing the Logitech G913 wireless gaming mechanical keyboard. Now this keyboard comes with TKL form factor, meaning it's 10 kilos, meaning the numpad has been removed, giving you a smaller form factor and also giving you more room on your desk, so you can have more space for those wide sweeping mouse actions, or more space for your cups or for any other peripherals on your desk. Aside from that, it comes with the Logitech RGB lighting solution called Lightsync and the wireless connection called Lightspeed, which uses the Lightspeed dongle, which promises 1 millisecond of report rate, while the Lightsync RGB solution allows you to give you unparalleled RGB customization. Aside from that, this is already available in the Philippines, guys, so if you're interested, they're available now at the Lazada store, the Logitech Lazada store. Okay, I think that's it. We should unbox this thing.
Just in case you haven't yet, guys, we invite you to subscribe to our channel if you like the content, and if you want to know more or you want to ask questions, you may do so very well in the comment sections, or you may message us through Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at GIZGUIDEPH. Let's flip it over. Alright, there are two pull tabs at the back. I've already removed the first one, now I'm removing the second one. Alright, let's pull up the cover. And there we go. We have a very beautiful plastic wrap keyboard over here. Very nice, clear, glossy plastic, protecting the keyboard while inside the packaging. Below the keyboard is the beautiful, probably a meter long cable, but braided, high quality braiding over here. This is very thick and very solid. I like it. Has a premium feel to it. And then it is at USB type A to micro USB cable. That's very nice. It's also been wrapped in very nice plastic and some ties to keep it organized while in transit. And of course, right beside it is the Lightspeed dongle. It's a small USB type A dongle over here, but it has an adapter plugged in right now. Let me pull out the dongle itself. As you can see, it's very small, and then the adapter is for when you want to connect the dongle to the cable. Aside from that, we also have the Logitech stickers, and of course a brochure that shows you all the other products Logitech has in the same line, like a mousepad, speakers, and the like. As you guys know, I'm a very avid user of the MX Anywhere series. I have the MX Anywhere 3. I've had it for a while now, maybe around a couple of months, and I'm enjoying it. Peter from GIZGUIDE, also my partner, he uses the MX Anywhere a lot also. And then we highly recommend these mice, and we're very excited with this gaming keyboard. So let's get to it. Let's peel off this very beautiful glossy plastic. Now let's go to the side, and now to the other side, and now let's pull out the keyboard. By the way, we recently also unboxed a couple of Logitech mice. The other one had the very silent and also partnered with the keyboard itself, and the other one is a very compact keyboard. And all of them have the same feature here. They have a slot for the dongle at the bottom of the keyboard. And aside from the dongle, you can see the printed branding, the certifications, and other regulatory information. And you will also see the legs, so you'll be able to raise the angle. The keyboard is for a better typing experience. We have 3 levels. The first level is without raising any of the legs, and then there is the 4 degrees and then the 8 degrees. So this will allow you to customize the angle for your own preference. And because the keyboard itself is very slim and low profile, it will be a better, more ergonomic experience, although you're going to be sacrificing a little bit of the travel. But from my experience right away, the travel of this is just right. Another great thing about the keyboard at the bottom is that there are these friction pads that prevent the keyboard from moving and keeps the keyboard still. And there's so many of them. There's 6 of them, so I think this won't be going anywhere unless you intentionally press on the keyboard itself. These friction pads themselves are made of rubber and also raised, so the keyboard won't directly be touching the surface, so there won't be scratching between your table and the keyboard. Okay, let's flip it over and look at the top, and we can already see these brushed aluminum top plate that has a nice glimmer to it depending on how the lights hit it. It's very high quality looking, and I cannot wait to get to try this thing. As mentioned earlier, this is a 10 kilos form factor, meaning only the numpad was removed. We have here the classic function row, the escape key. We also have the scroll part, and of course the arrow keys on the side. It's very much what you'll need for most gaming situations, but Logitech decided to add a couple of other stuff like the Lightsync button, the Bluetooth button, the gamepad button, along with the brightness button, so you can control the brightness levels of the RGB. There's also the media playback buttons, the fast forward, the backward, and of course the play and pause, and then of course the mute button. And on the far right, you'll see the volume knob. This is so you can control the volume at precise increments, giving you that precise control of how much volume you want from your audio from the game. Pretty awesome right there, Logitech. I'm loving all the features right away. First, you also have the slim profile GL Clicky Switches that I mentioned earlier. It's very slim and low profile, and it makes that satisfying click whenever you're typing. And I'm very impressed actually. It's not too loud, it's just right. Okay, I just brought up my laptop, guys, and we'll try the keyboard out. Now we'll follow the quick start guide. We'll get the Lightspeed dongle, plug it to the adapter, and then plug the adapter to the micro USB cable, and then we plug the USB type A part to the laptop. Now it should work wirelessly now. Okay, it's plugged in. Let's see how it works. Let's turn on the keyboard. There we go, the RGB lit up. We gotta need that RGB, right? Alright, I'm typing. And then as soon as we turn it on, it's already connected to the laptop. Very impressive. That is Logitech's Lightspeed technology. Now we'll try typing. We're gonna type the usual sentence we always see. The quick brown fox jumped over the lazy dog. As you can see, guys, as soon as we turned on the keyboard, it was already connected to the computer, and as soon as I press each key, the computer recognizes very quickly. It means the connection is very much as fast as it could be. This Lightsync and Lightspeed technology from Logitech really does work. I'm very impressed. As I continue to type, I'm already feeling the feedback the GL Clicky Switches are giving me, which is very impressive for a low profile keyboard switches. This is very interesting. I'm already getting used to it actually. I'm very much used to a mechanical keyboard, but this is a pretty good feeling and has a nice, decent travel for a slim and form factor keyboard. Okay guys, let's wrap it up. Overall, the build quality of this thing is very nice. The brushed aluminum top plate gives it a very premium look on your desk, and the way that the top plate glimmers depending on how the lights it gives it a very nice sense of character, very uniqueness about it. I love the fact that we have several levels of raising the angle of the keyboard. We have 3, we have the base, and then of course the 4 degrees and the 8 degrees. I also love the fact that we have a lot of rubber padding in the back, so the keyboard will stay in place, and it's also raised, so the back plate of the keyboard doesn't technically touch the table, so they won't scratch each other, which is a nice touch. And of course in front we have the 10 kilos form factor in the slim profile, and it's using this GL Clicky keys. Even though it's clicky, it's not as noisy as other clicky switches that I've heard. Aside from that, I love the fact that it's slim and low profile, giving you a more ergonomic feel. And of course, I love the fact that it's 10 kilos, giving you more space on the desk for more items like a larger mouse pad. And overall, the other touches like these Lightspeed, Bluetooth, game mode, and brightness keys to give you better control of the keyboard, and also the added media keys, so you can quickly play, pause, fast forward whenever you're playing or consuming content. And of course, my very favorite, one of my most favorite feature is the volume knob, which allows you to incrementally increase and decrease volume whenever you please. For those of you guys don't know, this is one of the best features here. I mean, instead of pressing the volume up and volume down each time for each increment, this is very nice and very fast. This is very, very intuitive, and it works really nice. I'm very, very happy with this Logitech G913 TKL. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This has been Neil, and that is it for our unboxing. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.